this is Emily.
And this is John, and we are reporting to you from PBS Local Newsstream.
We are here today to bring you a special report on all the latest weather news.
So let's begin our broadcast with a word from our sponsor, Jokesters.
What is the Mexican weather report? I don't know. Chilly today, but hot tomorrow.
What did one raindrop say to the other raindrop?
I don't know.
My clock is bigger than your
Hey guys, what did the lightning bolt say to you? Lightning bolt?
I
don't know. You guys are shocking.
How did Rudolph know that it was going to rain?
I don't know.
Because his name is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Did you know that hurricanes have names? One of the worst hurricanes was Hurricane Andrew, which battered the coast of Florida in 1992. Perhaps there was a hurricane named after you. Funny stuff there, guys.
Now on to a more serious note. Let's take it over to Emily and Richie, who have found themselves in the middle of a snow blizzard in Minnesota.
And I'm Richie. We're here in Minnesota in the middle of the snow blizzard. Every blizzard has winds that blow 35 miles per hour or more. That's strong enough to make even big trees shake.
Snow can be so heavy during a blizzard that it causes a whiteout.
During a whiteout, snow falling down and being blown around by the tremendous winds reduces visibility to the point where the sky, the air, and the ground become one white blur of snow.
Here are a few things
to keep you safe in a blizzard.
keep you safe in a blizzard. 1. Stay off the roads.
2. Stock up with plenty of food and water.
3. Be sure to have snow removal supplies.
4. Keep your cell phone close. Now let's check back in with Emily and John.
Sure looked cold. I hope Richie and Emily are up warm. Did you know that snow is made of tiny ice crystals? When air temperatures are very cold, around 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the water droplets in the clouds freeze to make tiny ice crystals. Sometimes individual crystals fall, but usually they clump up together into snowflakes.
No, I didn't know that. We learn something new every day. I do know that it has been a long, chilly winter. Hopefully, Andrew will bring us some good news from Punxsutawney, PA. Over to you, Andrew.
Hello, Pittsburgh. This is Andrew from Prairie Park, reporting live from Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. This noon Schofield came out of his room and did not see his shadow. Hopefully that means that we can expect an early spring. Back to you.
That is great news, Andrew.
This is the first year in a long time Phil did not see a shadow. Hopefully there will be an early spring. Let's check in with our weather girl, Alina, to see if Phil's prediction is correct. Thanks, Emily. John. Looks like Phil's prediction was correct. We have a great week in store for us. As spring approaches, we will see warmer temperatures and increasing rain. Get out those umbrellas. Today will be cloudy, rainy day with a high temperature of 52. Friday, we have a chance of flurries with a high of 40 degrees. Saturday, we'll have a slight chance of rain with a high of 45 degrees. Sunday, we will have 30% chance of rain with a high of 42 degrees. Monday, it will be a beautiful day full of sunshine with a high of 40 degrees. Tuesday will be slightly cloudy with a high of temperature of 47 degrees. Finally, we finished the forecast off with another beautiful day full of sunshine with a high of 53 degrees. Now let's take it over to Marina so she can tell us what we can expect from spring.
Thanks, Alina. This is Marina from Holiday Park School reporting to you on what we can expect this spring. The temperature in the springtime tends to vary, sometimes cool and other times warm. One thing for sure, we can expect a lot of rainy days. During spring, flowers start to bloom and leaves and cherry blossoms appear on trees. Animals such as groundhogs, chipmunks, and squirrels come out from hibernation. The geese return from Canada. Many animals lay eggs and have babies. It's my favorite season. Back to Emily and John.
Thanks, Maria.
Now another couple jokes and interesting weather facts from our sponsor. Did you know the hottest place on Earth is Libya? It is 136 degrees Fahrenheit. In the shade, hot enough to fry an egg. What happens when it rains cats and dogs?
I don't know.
You have to be careful not to step in a poodle. What did the hurricane say to other hurricanes?
I don't know.
I have my eye on you.
Give me that. Hey guys, why did the woman go outside with the purse open?
I don't know.
Because she was expecting some change in the weather.
What happened to the cow that was lifted into the air by the tornado?
I don't know.
Utter disaster.
Well, with spring approaching, we can expect that there will be an increase in tornadoes.
Did you know that Tornado Alley is a twister hotspot in the American Midwest? This is where hot air traveling south and creates huge thunderclouds. Of course, tornadoes can happen anywhere in the world when the conditions are right. Let's see how Marissa and Nick are doing over there in Tornado Alley. Thanks, Emily and John. This is Marissa.
And I'm Nick, and today we're broadcasting live from Tornado Alley in a very windy Oklahoma.
There's a tornado, as you can see behind us. Tornadoes tend to hit in spring when it's warm, and they are very hard to predict.
The tornado behind us is traveling at the speed of 30 miles per hour.
Remember to remain safe during a tornado. Follow these safety precautions. 1. Stay indoors.
2. Go to the basement.
3. Keep away from windows.
Now back to you, Emily and John.
Be careful and stay safe. Tornadoes can be one of the fiercest and most destructive winds on Earth.
Another violent storm that we need to be a lookout for is hurricanes. Hurricanes are the largest of all storms and usually begin around the middle of summer and last through the fall.
Let's go down to Angel and Jordan in North Carolina where a storm has just started.
Thanks, Emily and John. Hello, I'm Angel. I'm Jordan. We are reporting to you from the Alabama to North Carolina where Hurricane Andrew began to brew. Hurricane season is usually in full swing as summer comes to an end, but for some unknown reason, Hurricane Andrew is bringing torrential downpours, severe thunderstorms, harsh winds, and major flooding to the coastal region. Storm formed in the Atlantic warm ocean water, and it's going to measure 250 miles across and carry out 100 miles per hour wind. The hurricane is expected to do severe damage, so please remember to 1. Open land! 2. Board up windows. 3. Get back land! Back to you!
Take care, Angel and Jordan. Did you know the center of a hurricane is calm and still? This part is called the eye. As the eye of the storm passes over, there is a pause in the terrifying rains and wind.
I didn't know that, John. On lighter note, let's take a listen to our jokester's last set of jokes. Take it away.
Did you know there can be floods in the desert? When a lot of rain falls very quickly on land that has been dry, it cannot soak in. Instead, it sits on the surface. What did the thermometer say to the other thermometer? I don't know. You make my temperature rise. What did you call when it rains chickens and ducks? I don't know. Foul weather. What did the winter say to spring? I don't know. I'm cooler than you.
Which type of cloud is the laziest?
I don't know.
Fog, because it will never get up.
You guys get funnier each time. To conclude our show today, we are ending with a big finish. Clouds determine what our weather will be like each day. It is very important for a weather forecaster to be able to identify all the different types of clouds in the sky.
Did you know that not all clouds are made by nature? Contrails are streaky clouds that a plane leaves behind as it flies. They are made of water vapor that comes from the plane's engine. The second it hits the cold air, the water vapor turns into ice crystals, leaving a trail of white snow clouds.
I've always wondered about that. Now let's see what else we can learn from our clouds expert. Today Park School. We would like to inform you about 4 different types of clouds. Let's begin by talking about everyone's favorite cloud. Cumulus clouds are puffy clouds with flat bottoms that are continuously changing shapes. Cumulus clouds bring sunny skies.
Thank you, Thomas. I'm here to inform you about a very different type of cloud. Stratus clouds are low flat clouds that blanket the entire sky. They can be thick or thin, and rain or snow can fall from stratus clouds.
Back to you. Cumulonimbus clouds look similar to cumulus clouds. However, they are dark clouds that bring thunderstorms and bad weather.
Cirrus clouds are white and feathery. Cirrus clouds are thin enough to see through. Cirrus clouds, stormy weather can be coming as we see cirrus clouds. Let's check back with Emily and John.
Very informative, Keegan and Thomas. I know which type of clouds I will be hoping for this weekend.
Me too. Well, that's all we have for you today.
Stay tuned next week when we discuss the 5 food groups.
Signing off. Thanks for watching, Emily.
And John on PBS.